MEIL's successful journey, tiny unit to global conglomerate. Established in 1989 as a small fabrication unit with Megha Engineering Enterprises, has grown as a global conglomerate. After gaining expertise through the fabrication unit, it has turned as a contractor in 1995 and executed the minor projects in irrigation and drinking water projects. With its skill set and executing capabilities, it has expanded to operations to Rajasthan and Karnataka states by 2006. With a successful endeavor in irrigation and drinking water sectors, it entered into the construction industry in 2004. It has made its mark in the sector by constructing ESI buildings in Tamil Nadu, government offices and oncology building at NIMS in Hyderabad. MEIL also partnered in Telangana government's ambitious double-bedroom housing project. Megha Engineering Enterprise changed its name as Megha Engineering and Infrastructure Limited in 2006 as it is spreading into several infrastructure verticals. MEIL entered the hydrocarbon sector in 2009-2010. It has proved its mettle by executing the critical Assam Renewal Project and the Rageshwari gas terminals. MEIL entered the road construction industry in 2012. It has an excellent beginning in the sector by completing the Hyderabad-Karimnagar Ramagundam road project within the stipulated time. Currently, MEIL has undertaken the construction of newly recognized national highways in Maharashtra. With the experience in the road construction, it has entered into railway projects. During 2010 to 2015, the company expanded further into the new sectors, new states and into global arena. At the same period, the turnover crossed over $1 billion. To meet the engineering project's demand, it has established an HDPE pipe manufacturing unit. MEIL has expanded to power lines, construction of substations, transmission and distribution sectors in 2010. In 2015, it entered into the civil aviation sector with the launching of TrueJet. Under the Government of India's UDAN scheme, the company operating the flights to remote and regional areas in the country. MEIL.